Today we are going to solve the maths from the assignment 2.2 and assignment 2.3 from the second chapter. So in your previous video you have learned how can you do the multiplication and division of fractions. So now we will solve these two assignment. Okay. Question number 1, multiple choice question. The product of 5 by 3 and 12 by 25. So what will be the product of these two numbers? 5 by 3, 12 by 25. So you have to find this product by the cancellation method. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the answer will be 4 by 5. Next, the product of 2 whole 4 by 7, 2 whole 3 by 4, 1 whole 2 by 5. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 sevens are 14 plus 4, 18 by 7, 2 fours are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 into 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. এবার আমরা ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করেছি 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 9 11s are 99, 99, 2 5s are 10. So this is the improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. 9 10s are 90, 9 whole 9 by 10. So this will be the answer. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, some multiplications are given and you have to find the multiplication. So in this question, I will solve just some question. Question number 2, 7. 3 whole 1 by 3, 1 whole 2 by 5, 1 whole 1 by 14. 3 whole 1 by 3, 1 whole 2 by 5, 1 whole 1 by 14. 3 whole 1 by 5, 1 by 3. So first we have to convert this number into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. 14 ones are 14 plus 1, 15 by 14. So cancellation method, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 2 ones are 2. Now 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. That is 5. 1 ones are 1. So the answer will be 5. Okay. Now we will solve question number 211. This question, okay. 5 whole 1 by 3, 4 whole 1 by 2, 3 whole 1 by 4, 1 whole 5 by 6. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 minus 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. 6 plus 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 by 6. 2 8s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 8 3s are 24 minus 4 6 are 24, 13 11s are 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 143. So এখানে কোনো ডিনোমিনেটর কিছু নেই, মানে 1 আছে, 124 এর এলসিএম হবে 24. এবার 1 দিয়ে আমরা সেম আগের ক্লাসে আমরা শিখেছি যে হাউ ক্যান ইউ ফাইন্ড দ্য অ্যাডিশন এন্ড সাবট্রাকশন অফ ফ্র্যাকশনস. সো ফার্স্ট you have to divide this LCM by this denominator, that is 1 দিয়ে 24 কে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা 24 পাবো. 24 দিয়ে এবার আমরা যে কোশ্চেন যেটা পাচ্ছি সেটা দিয়ে নিউমারেটরকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব. 24 24 how much? 576 মাইনাস 24 দিয়ে 24 কে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা পাই 1 1 দিয়ে 143 মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 143 3 3 433 3 3 400 so 24 ones are 24 9 93 so 193 now 24 8s are 8 4s are 32 8 2s are 16 so 18 whole 1 by 24 this will be the answer. Okay, so in question number 2 I have left many questions for you for we will solve this question number 3 find the missing number. So here some numbers are missed, so you have to find the missing number. Question number 3 1 3 whole 3 by 4 plus so 3 whole 3 by 4 plus question mark equal to 4. So you have to find this number. So this question mark equal to, so if you shift this number from left to right, so আমরা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড থেকে যখন রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে কোনো যখন অপারেশন যখন শিফট করব মাইনাস থাকলে প্লাস প্লাস থাকলে মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে এখানে প্লাস আছে তাহলে এটা কি হয়ে যাবে মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে 4 minus 3 whole so 4 minus 3 whole 3 by 4 4 minus 3 4s are, so you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction 3 4s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4 so here is nothing, that means denominator is 1 1 and 4 এর এলসিএম হবে 4 1 দিয়ে 4 কে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা 4 পাবো 4 দিয়ে 4 কে মাল্টিপ্লাই 16 মাইনাস 4 দিয়ে 4 কে ডিভাইড করলে 1 1 দিয়ে 15 কে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 15 পাবো so 16 minus 15 is 1 so 1 by 4 this will be the answer. Okay, so in the next question 12 minus 2 whole 3 by 4 তাহলে এখানে এই দুটো জাস্ট সাবট্রাক্ট করবে করে দেখবে ডিনোমিনেটরে নিউমারেটরে যত পাবে সেটাই এখানে মিসিং নাম্বার হবে, মিসড নাম্বার সেটাই হবে. Okay, so you have to solve these two questions by yourself. Next question number 4 question number 4 1/10 of 110 divided by 17, that is 110 divided by 17 1/10, that means 1/10 of multiply 110 17, so we can cancel this 0, so 11 by 17 this will be the answer. Okay, so just like this way you will complete the other question from question number 4. So in this assignment I have solved some question, but I have given you some question, I have left some question for you, so you have to solve all the questions from this assignment by yourself. Okay, next come to the next assignment, that is assignment 2.3. The value of this 27 by 33 divided by 9 by 22. Assignment 2.3. First question is the value of 27 by 33 divided by 9 by 22. So for division, this division changes to multiplication and this fraction will convert to the reciprocal form. Reciprocal form এ চলে যাবে তাহলে 22 by 9 হয়ে গেল. তাহলে আমরা যদি এবারে এটাকে ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করব। ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করলে 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 11 দিয়ে আবার যদি ক্যান্সেল করি 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 3 1s are 3, the answer will be 2. This will be the answer. Next, the simplified form of this: 3 by 8 multiplied by 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. So 3 by 8 multiplied by 2 by 4. So this division changes to multiplication and 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. তাহলে এখানে ডিভিশনের পরে যেটা থাকবে সেটা জাস্ট রেসিপ্রোকাল ফর্মে চলে যাবে আর ডিভিশনটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন হয়ে যাবে। এবার আমরা ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করি। 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. This is very easy. So 1 1s are 1 1s are 1, 5 1s are 5. So 1 by 5, this will be the answer. Next, question number 2 1. Divide this by this. So you have to divide this number by this number. So you have to write 716 divided by, that means division sign, 21 by 16. So 7 by 16 and this sign changes to multiplication and 21 by 16 changes to its reciprocal form, that is 16 by 21. 16 আমরা কি করতে পারি, আমরা ক্যান্সেল করে দিতে পারি। 16 1s are 16, 16 1s are 16. Don't need to write here 1. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So the answer will be 1 by 3. Okay, the answer will be 1 by 3. So now let's solve question number 2 3. 5 whole 1 by 3 by 5 whole 1 by 3 by 10. 5 whole 1 by 3, that means 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 divided by 10. That is 16 by 3. Division changes to multiplication and 10. What is the reciprocal of 10? 1 by 10. So আমরা এখানে ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করব। 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So 8 1s are 8, 3 5s are 15. So this will be the answer. Okay. Next, question number 3. Divide this by 10. So you have to solve this like as question number 2. So question number 4, 2. 4 whole 7 by 11 divided by 4 whole 7 by 11. So if you divide any number by that number, which number you can get? যদি কোনো একটা নাম্বারকে সেই নাম্বার দিয়ে আমরা ডিভাইড করি তাহলে আমরা অলওয়েজ 1 পাই। So this will be the answer. Okay. So next, question number 5 2. 8 by 25 multiplied by 55 by 22 divided by 2 whole 1 by 11, 4 by 9. So first 8 by 25, 55 by 22, and this division changes to multiplication and this ফার্স্ট আমরা কি করব, এটাকে আমরা আগে ইম্প্রপার ফ্র্যাকশনে কনভার্ট করে নেই। 2 11s are 22 plus 1, 23 by 11, 4 by 9. Yes, it is correct. 8 by 25, 55 by 22. Division, now division changes to multiplication and this fraction will changes to its reciprocal form, that is 11 by 23, 4 by 9. এবার আমরা দেখি কোথায় কোথায় আমাদের ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করা যাচ্ছে। 5 11s are 55, 5 5s are 25, 2 4s are 8, 2 11s are 22, 11 11 আমরা ক্যান্সেল করে দিলাম, তাহলে আর কোথাও ক্যান্সেলেশন মেথড অ্যাপ্লাই করা যাচ্ছে না। 4 4s are 16, 4 11s are 44, 44 4s are 176, 44 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, so 176, 5 3s are 115, then multiplied by 9, 5 9s are 45, 9 1s are 9 10 11 12 13, 9 1s are 9 10, so 1035. This will be the answer. So in question number 5 to 176 divided by 135, this will be the answer. This will be the answer of question number 5 2. Okay. So after watching this video, you have to complete assignment 2.2 and assignment 2.3 from the second chapter, and if you can't do any question from these two assignment, you can inform me. Okay.